So I recently shared my meal prep and also what I eat in a day. You guys loved it and you requested for an Asian vegan meal prep. So here it is. Now before I get started, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to do so and turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new workout video, recipe and also fitness tips. For those of you who have no idea on what meal prepping is, how or where to start, be sure to check out my video on Beginner's Guide to Meal Prepping. It's only 5 really simple steps, but it will get you to eat healthier. This meal prep is great for those of you who are looking to lose weight. If not, you can always increase the portion or add more meals into your diet. So these are all the ingredients I'll be cooking with. For breakfast, I'm making tofu and veggie rice rolls. Lunch will be tempeh fried rice and dinner is barley, carrot and sweet corn soup. And I'm going to have red dates with walnuts as my snacks. This entire meal is enough for 3 days. So from preparation to cooking and also storing, it will take me roughly about 2 hours. Remember, it's all about being efficient. So we're going to start with the recipe that takes the longest to cook, followed by simpler meals. So I'm going to start by prepping dinner, which is barley, carrot and sweet corn soup. What I've used are half a cup of pearl barley, 6 cups of vegetable stock, 2 tomatoes, 2 large onions, 2 medium potatoes, 2 carrots, a head of sweet corn and salt and pepper to taste. Start by prepping and chopping all the vegetables into thick chunks. The next step is to simply fill up a large pot with vegetable stock and add in all your ingredients. I'm seasoning mine with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now allow all the ingredients to cook under medium heat for about 30 minutes until all the vegetables are tender. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Then set it aside to let it cool. So while waiting for my soup to cool down, let's move on and prep lunch, tempeh fried rice. For this, you'll need 3 cups of cooked brown rice, 1 cup of tempeh, a half a head of broccoli, 1 red bell pepper, 1 carrot, 3 stalks of scallions, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Again, start by prepping all the vegetables and slice the tempeh into cubes. Heat a large pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Saute the tempeh until it is slightly brown. Remove and set aside. Drizzle the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Then add in your vegetables, broccoli, bell pepper and carrots. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender but still crunchy. Then stir in the rice and tempeh and continue to cook for a few more minutes until the rice is heated through. Season with a little bit of soy sauce, sesame oil and salt and pepper. Then throw in some scallions and continue to stir until all the ingredients are well combined. Remove from heat and set it aside to cool down. Now, let's move on and make breakfast, tofu and vegetable rice rolls. For this, you'll need 200 grams of firm tofu, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 carrot, 1 large bunch of mint leaves, 1.5 cups of cabbage, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 12 rice paper rolls. As for the garlic soy dipping sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Let's start by thinly slicing all the vegetables. And slice the tofu into long strips. Over medium-high heat, cook the tofu on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Set aside. Next, we want to prep the dipping sauce. So in a small bowl, combine all the ingredients together and mix well. Now let's assemble the rice rolls. To soften the rice paper wraps, in a large plate, add in a little bit of warm water and dip the rice paper wrap very quickly for 10 to 15 seconds and spread it carefully onto a damp cloth. Then arrange all the colorful vegetables and tofu. Gently roll the rice paper wrap and voila! There you have it! So I'm making 12 rolls, enough for 3 days. If you want to, you can always make more. Finally, I'm going to prep a really simple and quick snack. Red dates stuffed with walnuts. This is a very popular Chinese snack. It is sweet, satisfying and extremely healthy. So combined with walnuts, this snack is high in antioxidants and also healthy fats. Simply slice the red date to create a small pocket and remove the seed. Then insert half a walnut into the red date. Done! Now that all the meals have cooled down, it is time to store them into airtight containers. I'm going to scoop the soup into 3 equal portions. Then place 4 rice rolls into each container. As for lunch, I'm packing fried rice with more vegetables on the side. Always remember that you can consume vegetables in abundance. And finally, the red dates and walnuts as my snacks. So this is my meal prep for 3 days. The total calories for all the meals are only 1,200 calories. Remember, this does not include my protein shake, which I will have after a workout session, or a cup of coffee or a small dessert just to enjoy. So I will give myself another 300 to 400 calorie allowance. Use this as your guideline. Remember, your calorie intake will differ based on your fitness goals and also your body composition. Do try this meal prep out and let me know what recipes do you want more of. Remember, you have to also stay active, okay? So check out my workout videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification button. And be sure to snap pictures and tag me. All the best!